What is a student? Is it an individual obligated to learn, attend classes, and complete assignments? Or is it a person who carries the burden of making life-altering decisions despite not yet knowing their direction in life? If so, what can a student do, besides moving forward every day and hoping to find somewhere to call home? On this path of discovery, the student may join a robotics team, a solid extracurricular that seems to provide practical skills. But as they continue exploring, they find that there's more than just building a robot and competing. They uncover a community, an interconnected web based on cooperation. Despite being competitors, resources are shared between teams. Machines, teachable skills, workshop spaces, practice fields, all for mutual benefit. Venturing deeper into these new grounds, they find younger students competing in a similar way. These children are guided by student volunteers who help cultivate their problem-solving and creative thinking. Mentors provide insights to push these young students forward, but are also there to catch them should they fall. These minds thrive in an environment that supports them and helps them learn to become the leaders of tomorrow. Around the corner lies another group of individuals: teachers, industry professionals, and grandparents, perhaps more mature in age, yet still youthful in spirit. Mutual growth takes place through exchanges of knowledge. The rising age of AI, the role of innovation in education, and accessibility within technology. As generations connect to learn and teach, their entire worldviews are broadened. While they keep moving forward, the path seems to be getting clearer, as if a breeze is showing them the way. When they look up, they realize it's the people they met on this journey, the friends who supported them, the mentors who gave them the opportunity to grow, and the individuals who helped them figure out who they were. The shared experiences are what shaped them, and now they can continue with more certainty. As the path clears, a realization sets in. The trek is far from over. There's still a long way to go. But for now, they've found a way. Their way. Not everything needs to be figured out. Maybe it's okay being left in the unknown. After all, at least for now, this is home.